Okay, so it is time for another hair product review. So I'm going to be reviewing another shampoo, and it is from Briogeo. This is their Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoos. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And this is the 16-ounce bottle. So there is a smaller one. This one has the pump, so it's pretty convenient. And actually, was the other one a squeezy tube? I think it was a squeezy tube. So yeah, I like the pump version of it. I picked this up, I want to say more than a year ago, for a Sephora VIB sale. That's generally when I pick up any type of mid-end to high-end hair care, either at Sephora or at the brand itself, because sometimes they'll often have promotions that are more than just 15 or 20% off, depending on the time of year. So this has the same smell as the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair mask, which I tried prior to this one. I also have the honey one. I did a review for that one. So it has the same scent. Very hard to explain. It's like a fruity scent, but I don't know. I'm not good with scents. It has a cool scent though. It's nice. This lathers up really nicely, but not in a way that strips your hair. It does clean it very well though. This is coming from someone who normally uses co-washes, because I keep my hair curly most of the time, or at least I try to. So I'm used to little to no lather. So it's always nice to come back to something that does lather quite nicely. Less is more. Sometimes I struggle to wash off all the lather because I just tend to over apply my products. I'm not gonna lie. It's a habit that is really hard for me to break. So that's something that I just try to keep in mind when I'm doing my hair in the shower, is that if I put too much, I'm going to take twice as long in order to remove it. I feel like it leaves my hair very clean, and that's about it. Like with shampoos, I'm very impartial to it. Like sometimes I care, sometimes I don't. There's only one shampoo ever that I have come across that I felt like, wow, it really made a big difference in the way my hair came out at the end. Normally I just apply it, I lather, I rinse, and then I move on to what I consider the most important part, which is conditioner or hair mask. So I definitely enjoy this one, but that price tag though, it kind of prevents me from being like, yes, go run out and get that product, because it is a little bit expensive, especially if you're paying full price for it. A good alternative if you're looking for a cheaper one would be from Hask. I recently did a review for this. This is the Hask Smoothing Shampoo. So again, it has that same really good lather, foamy suds and everything without stripping your hair, but it also, I feel like, leaves your hair very, very shiny. This one does too, to a certain extent. I'll include some videos where I use this product. I didn't use it on my hair today because I was testing this one out just to show you how it applies curly. But I do feel like it cleans my hair, it smooths it out a little bit, but it's nothing that I can notice a huge difference like if I'm using another shampoo. Do you know what I'm saying? Like if a product is really good, you'll notice when you're not using it. You'll notice the effect and how your hair looks, because it's gonna look a little bit different. With this one, like, it's good. I like it. I go to it. It's like a staple in my collection. Like, it never lets me down, but it doesn't necessarily impress me that much. Like the Hask one, which is a little bit more affordable, is amazing. It's smoothing. It does something to my hair that I've never seen a shampoo do before, which is they really smooth it out, really make it nice, soft, and shiny without looking oily or weighed down. This one definitely didn't weigh my hair down, which is great. I just generally prefer Briogeo's conditioners or hair masks. So the honey hair mask one, which is limited edition, or the Briogeo normal Don't Despair Repair one, I'd rather put my money towards that. Though I do like having like a complete collection. I like the packaging of this. I think it's nicer. This one like snapped off the cap, so this whole thing fell in the tub, and like the whole cap broke off, like if you see that. Whereas this one is like more convenient. You just pump it in the shower and it's great. I actually wish the conditioner had this, or like the honey one. I know the honey one has cuter packaging and that's why it's shaped like that, but I struggle to get it out. Now that I'm like almost done with it, it's hard to get all the product out when you have to squeeze with both hands in the shower. But yes, I do enjoy this one. If you like Briogeo, I definitely would recommend giving it a shot, especially because you get good bang for your buck with the amount of product that you're receiving. I would definitely try to get it on sale. Will I repurchase this again? Maybe in the future I will. It doesn't blow me away, but it doesn't mean it's not good either. Do you know what I mean? Reviews are really hard, so I would give it like a 3.5 if I could rate it on my own personal scale based on price, packaging, consistency, and ingredients. It does have pretty good ingredients. You're not paying a high price for just something full of silicones. I don't really mind silicones at this point. I kind of changed my viewpoint on that, but I'll probably do another video, and whenever that's up, I'll link it in the cards. I think Briogeo has really good ingredients for their price point. Anyway, that being said, that's pretty much it for my review. Sorry if it's a little rambly. I'm trying to get back into these because I haven't done them in so long, but if there's any hair products that you would like me to review, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.